Hi, and welcome to Wild About Math with Kelly. This is 8G3 transformations. Let's take a look at these two problems and then we'll fill in our notes as we go. Number one, the coordinates of PQR, it's got 3 points, so it's a triangle, are 2, -3, that would be P, -3, 5, that would be Q, -1, -2, that would be R. What are the coordinates after it has been reflected across the X axis? Across X. This is X. So we're going to reflect across that axis. Let's go ahead and draw the triangle first. So P is 2, -3. P there. Q, -3, +5. That's Q. And R, -1, -2. R. There's your triangle. All right, we're going to reflect it across X. So if the point is at the bottom, it's going to go to the top. If the point is at the top, it's going to go to the bottom. Q is at the top, so we need to reflect it to the bottom. It was -3, +5, so it will become -3, -5. And I'm going to put a Q with an apostrophe after it. All right, then we've got R, -1, -2 would be -1, +2. I'm just changing the X. If it's negative, I'm making it positive. If it's positive, I'm making it negative. All right, then the P, 2, -3. So let's make it 2, +3. And there's your new triangle after it's been reflected. So the points, P is 2, 3. Q, -3, -5. And R, -1, +2. There are your 3 points. So the first step is to plot the points if no get graph is given, and that's what we did. If point T is -3, +5, this is point T. It undergoes a 90-degree clockwise rotation. Then it's reflected across the x-axis. What will the new coordinates be? Okay, clockwise turns to the right. So this is clockwise. It's going to go right. Counterclockwise goes to the left. Now, a rotation, each rotation is 90 degrees. So if I move it from where it is right now to the right one, that's 90 degrees. If 180 degrees would be 2 turns. So 180 would be down here. That's 1 turn up here and 1 turn at the bottom. 270 would be 3 turns. So this would be a turn and this would be a turn. 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270. We want 90 degrees clockwise. That means it's going to be up in this box right here. All right, let's see if we can draw it first. So if it's going to undergo a 90 degree rotation, what you're going to do for each turn, you're going to change the numbers. So if I've got a -3 and a 5, I'm going to move the 5 over to here and the 3 over to here. And I know in that first box, the signs are plus, plus, positive, positive. So I just go to 5 and up 3, and there's my new t. If I were to do it again, 2 turns, I would move my 3 and my 5 again, switch them. And I know down here, it's negative, negative. So they would both be negative. So -3, -5, that would be 180 degrees. If I were to go another time, move that 5 over here and that 3 right here, and I know this side is negative. This side is negative, negative. This side is positive, negative. So +3, -5. Sorry for that mistake. -5, -3, -5, -3. There's the new t. So there we've rotated it all the way around. The one we want, I'm just going to go over it in red. We want this one right here. All right, so I'm going to erase these two. We don't want those. And then we want to reflect it. Reflect it across X. Here is X. So we are going to go down here. This is 5, +3. So we'll do 5, -3. And right here is my new point. And it would be 5, -3. 5, -3.